This video was brought to you by a scanner. Yes, I now actually use one. Turn it on. And yeah, let's go. First train of the day, incoming. Ooh, a Top Hat -9. $88.56, $61.76. Norfolk Southern, milepost 481.2, track 1, no defects. Sorry guys, I had to do it. The defect detector says it all the time. But yeah, there is another one coming. Think pretty slowly. Here goes the signals. That car is like, nope, I am not gonna be beaten by a train. Another Norfolk Southern. $9336, $9542. Alright, and now the round of applause. Just kidding. Which pretty much is the end of the train. Well, what's coming next? It's coming from this way. Looks like it's, yup, it's coming from that way. It's funny how those signals active down there activated before. Goodbye, NS 1154.
4G clear, CP 479 to be stopped.
CP 479 on the defect detector. DJ Cal says another one. Crap, oh crap, oh crap. No, 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 no. That didn't happen. Here it comes. Another Norfolk Southern. $26.95. $98. farm equipment. Of a short one. That train was carrying farm equipment. My first time catching one of those in person. So that's the end of the transmission. I'm sorry, I only caught like 3 trains in this video. Yep, had a pretty good time last night. So yeah, that's pretty much it. End of Riley's railhouse trip, Railfanning. So yeah.